Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, we're going to do something different. And let's start. This video, we're going to do some unboxing thing. And this is the newly bought ring fill light that I bought. Just don't forget to subscribe first and click the bell button. And here's the package that I received. It's actually packaged well and it's covered with bubble wrap.
Received the ring light that I ordered. So it should include ring light, stand, and then phone holder. Let's see. Ito yung pagiging vloggers natin. Unboxing is real. Ta-da! Pokemon Go! So this one, I think it's the holder. We put it there. This is the ring light. There you go.
Alright, na all my ring light.
It includes, I think, what's this? One. And let me open it. Can you open it? Ta-da! Ta-da! With, I think, this is the switch. And let's set it up. Here you go. Now let me try to switch on and off the light. See. We switch it up. There. So orange. Let's switch white. Then medyo white. And then you can dim. Then you can add. So meron siyang tatlong klase ng ilaw. And yeah, it's working. So nice. Vlogger is trying my newly bought ring light. So let me try to switch the light. Orange. Super orange. And then white. And then medyo white. And then super dark orange. See? Ta-da!
And there you have it guys. I only bought it in Shoppee for 840 pesos. Free delivery. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check the next video.